Yeah, from light chapter, refraction of light, we have one NCERT exercise question 9.5. What is the question actually? The question is that figure A and B shows refraction of light. Okay, in the refraction of incident ray in air at 60 degrees, with the normal to the glass air interface to the glass air interface is 60 degrees and the refractor angle 35 degrees. To the glass air interface, this is the glass, this is the air, and at the same time if you see the water air interface also, we have incident angle 60 degrees. In both cases, in the air medium the incident angle 60 degrees, then for refracted angles for the glass is 35 degrees, for the water is 41 degrees respectively. Now the question is that predict the angle of refraction of an incident ray in water at 45 degrees with the normal to the water glass interface. Here water air, glass air and water air. Here they are asking with the water glass interface angle. Okay, here the light ray is incidenting with the 45 degrees angle. They are asking us to find the refracted angle in the medium of the glass. So for that purpose, first, since we know that this is the glass air interface when light ray is incidenting from air to glass, what is the refractive index first? Means air to glass the light ray is passing. From equation 1, if you see, from equation 1, A mu g from Snell's law, sin I by sin r, which is equal to sin 60 degrees by sin 35, which is given in the question. Sin 60 incident angle, sin 35 is refracted angle. Sin 60 value is in terms of decimal 0.8666 by sin 35 0.5736. Which is after division is 1.5. That is the refractive index of the glass from when light ray passing from A. Same way from the diagram B. Okay, in the figure B, the light is traveling from the air to water. Means air water interface incident angle is 60 degrees and refracted angle is 41 degrees. In the same way from B, by using the Snell's law, A mu W equal to sin A by sin R, which is equal to sin 60 by sin 41, we can write up sin 60 is 0.8666 and sin 41 0.6561. This in decimal I have written. So therefore if you divide 0.866 by 0.656, we have 1.32 is the refractive index of the water medium when light ray incidenting from A. Now the question is that from the figure C, when light ray passing from the water to glass medium, the incident angle is given is 45 degrees. Then what about the refracted angle is a question. So directly we cannot find what is the refracted angle. So from Snell's law, if you are using with the comparison of two diagrams, previous one, we have a refractive index of the glass, refractive index of the water from figure A and B. So what here in the third diagram we have incident ray passing from water to glass medium. So A mu g by A mu w we can write up from the refractive index. A mu g from the figure A we have 1.51 is the refractive index and A mu w 1.32 we have a refractive index, which is equal to the sin I by sin r Snell's law. Sin I is nothing but in the figure C, incident angle 45 degrees. Therefore, sin 45 I have written here. Then refracted angle sin r I have written the r only, since we need to find the sin r. So I wanted to make sin r as a subject. Therefore, what I did, 1 by sin r equal to 1.51 by 1.32 into sin 45 is a root 2 value. 1 by root, sorry. So I wanted to write sin 45 1 by root 2 in the sense Then if I write 1 by root 2 here, it will go that side, become root 2. Then sin r, if I make as a subject, sin r equal to 1.32 in numerator by 1.51 in denominator into 1 by root 2. So after division and after substituting root 2 value 1.41, 1 by 1.41 gives us in the decimal. After total multiplication, I have the answer 0.6181, which is a sin r value. Okay. If you wanted to know r value in the sense, just we have to make r as a subject. Then I can write sin r equal to 0.6181 in the sense. Therefore, r equal to sin inverse 0.6181, which is gives us approximately around 38.6 degrees. Is a refracted angle when water glass interface takes place, the refraction. In the water glass interface, we have refracted angle 38.6 degrees, or in some books 38.2 also can be given approximately. So it depends on the decimal value how you are taking this. This gives the angle of refraction when there is a light refraction takes place between the interface of water and glass. This is a one NCERT exercise numerical 9.4. Thank you.